A lot of anticipation for the next round of new products from Tesla. Last quarter, they did allude to launching more affordable electric vehicles off some of the same platforms they have today and leveraging some of the manufacturing capacity they have today and launching these vehicles next year. There's really two things people are looking for in these vehicles. The first, of course, is the price point, just given that EVs do need to become more affordable and there's certain opportunity for growth at lower price points. But the second thing that we're particularly looking for is really just the overall design and content of these vehicles. Because the ultimate question, I think, for investors is going to be that will these vehicles generate the same type of excitement we've seen for other high volume vehicles in the past, such as, of course, the Model 3 and the Model Y.
Following the EV giant's shareholder meeting, Tesla shares are up by around 1.5% at this time. Musk said at that conference that Tesla's market capitalization may reach $25 trillion in the future because to its Optimus robots. What other catalysts is Wall Street keeping an eye on? Eddie Micah, a U.S. auto parts expert, joins us for a closer look at Tesla's growth narrative. Eddie, we really appreciate you being here with us. I want to start by asking what you are expecting in light of Musk's statements to us, particularly with relation to the release of new products. It can be difficult to predict whether Musk's strategy will be successful at times. How did you interpret the meeting's indications of some upcoming new products? Yes, thank you for having me, and good morning. Indeed, there is a great deal of interest in Tesla's next product lineup. They hinted last quarter at introducing more reasonably priced electric cars next year, utilizing existing manufacturing capacity and based on the same platforms they already employ. In actuality, individuals are searching for these cars for two reasons. Naturally, the first is the cost, as EVs must become more accessible, and there is room for expansion at lower price points. The second thing we're keeping a close eye on is the general appearance and substance of these cars, since investors are primarily interested in whether or not they will create the same kind of buzz as previous high-volume models like the Model 3 and Model Y. Elon Musk recently revealed his intentions for three new Tesla cars. Both the IT and automobile industries have been impacted by this announcement, and we're here to explain all you need to know. We'll go into the specifics of these three recent additions to the Tesla portfolio in this video, examining what makes each special and why this might be the game-changing event that many investors and Tesla enthusiasts have been waiting for. We'll also look more closely at the August 8th robotaxi unveiling, which has the potential to completely change the direction of autonomous transport. Not only that, but we're also looking at Tesla's most recent market strategies, such as their recent price changes for their vehicles and their efforts to increase their market share in the EV sector in the face of worldwide sales trends. We have in-depth coverage on Tesla's future direction. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for frequent updates from the world of Tesla, and stay tuned until the conclusion for a thorough debate. Let's get going and make headlines. Tesla is well known throughout the world for leading the electric vehicle industry and gaining a sizable market share. For a while, the Model Y in particular held the distinction of best-selling automobile in the world. The 2024 Model Y was just voted the best new car of the year by AutoTrader UK's consumers, adding to its already impressive list of awards. Owners praised the cost-effectiveness of its maintenance, as well as its simplified, user-friendly central dashboard. Although Tesla's full self-driving software isn't currently available in the UK, many people have been thrilled with its autopilot capabilities, which have earned it the title of Best Driver Assistance Package. The Nissan Ariya and the Kia EV6, the champion from the previous year, were among the contenders for the title. As the benefits of electric vehicles over conventional vehicles with internal combustion engines become more apparent, it is not unexpected that all electric vehicles have risen to the top of this year's list. This past week at Tesla's shareholder meeting, important things happened. Elon Musk's remuneration package and the company's move to Texas were approved by shareholders. Taking the stage with his signature flair, Musk stressed that the Optimus humanoid robot project and projects like robotaxis are highlighting the revolutionary period that Tesla is entering. In his ideal future, Tesla's achievements might result in an astounding $20 trillion market price. The Cybertruck was the focus of the product news. With Jenga, Texas setting a new record of 1,300 automobiles in a single week, Musk revealed that output has greatly increased. By the end of the year, this output is expected to rise to 2,200 Cybertrucks every week. The cost of the Cybertruck is anticipated to drop dramatically as a result of this scale-up. Up until now, Tesla has been selling the high-end Foundation Series Cybertruck, which costs $20,000 more and comes with the upcoming FSD technology and other unique accessories. Plans, ho. One especially interesting portion of Musk's latest presentation was when he showed a slide with 3 covered Tesla automobiles, which sparked a lot of conjecture. Given its boxy appearance, one of these concealed cars raises the possibility that Tesla is branching out into other car categories, including vans or boxy SUVs, which may be modeled after the Cybertruck. Despite previous mentions, a van has not been prioritized. However, this teaser suggests that Tesla has made the strategic decision to investigate this possibility. Curiosity was also aroused by the other 2 cars that were hidden. Musk alluded to the practical design of the next robotaxi when he said that, although one of these vehicles might not appear noteworthy at first, it will impress. Furthermore, there is conjecture that Tesla may release more reasonably priced iterations of its current models. With adjustments to make them less luxury but more accessible, these cars may be produced on the assembly lines for the Model 3 and Model Y. Perhaps a lighter version of the Model Y or a smaller, more economical hatchback version of the Model 3 would be introduced. Despite price decreases, Tesla is well aware that pricing is still the biggest deterrent to buying their cars. This information is consistent with Elon Musk's suggestions of more reasonably priced Model 3 and Model Y models. When compared to more spectacular unveilings like the Cybertruck or specialized robotaxi, these vehicles might not appear very impressive at first glance. Their price and the potential implications of mass production, however, are what really make them appealing. There are a lot of moving components as we anticipate Tesla's future. Although the robotaxi is an important component, the firm is also concentrating on growing its current lines of cars, producing more Cybertrucks, and revealing 3 new, as yet unveiled vehicles. What will be Tesla's next market release is the question that everyone is asking. Although a Model 3 hatchback is the most likely option, please feel free to express your predictions in the comments section, as we'd love to hear what you think. Tesla's focus has recently changed dramatically as it moves from being solely an automaker to a more comprehensive AI-driven business. At Tesla's shareholder meeting, where the focus was on the AI systems behind their full self-driving FSD software, this was very clear. Even though it is at the forefront of autonomous technology and electric car manufacturing, Tesla is placing a significant wager on real autonomy in the near future. This decision has the potential to revolutionize personal transportation and make Tesla one of the most valuable firms in the world. Recent findings from investment research firm ARK Invest show how much money Tesla may make if it can figure out autonomous driving. The Optimus project is not yet valued, but according to ARK's assessment, robotaxis have the potential to drastically change how Tesla operates. According to ARK, if Tesla succeeds in achieving autonomy, its stock price, which is currently about $180 per share, may soar to between $2,000 and $3,100 per share. According to these projections, by 2029, the robotaxi project may account for about 90% of Tesla's revenue, with sales of electric vehicles making up a lesser share. Musk intends to showcase the robotaxi on August 8. He simply revealed that to X, he didn't elaborate on whether this would be a new model, when it may be put into service, or whether it would just be software added to an existing Tesla vehicle. However, Elon Musk reiterates that the robotaxi will be unveiled on August 8. According to ARK, Tesla may sell between 5.8 and 14.4 million EVs by 2029, which would be a substantial rise from the 1.8 million that were sold at the time. With a 58% chance of commercializing their robot taxis by 2025, it is highly likely that Tesla will introduce a ride-sharing service within the next 5 years. With operating margins of roughly 56%, These autonomous ride-sharing services may bring in between $63 billion and $951 billion by 2029, which would increase Tesla's market value from roughly $540 billion to between $7 trillion and $10 trillion. Tesla is aware that the price of its cars continues to be the biggest deterrent for many prospective customers. This supports previous rumors that Tesla may release more reasonably priced models of the Model 3 and Model Y. When manufactured in big quantities, these models could revolutionize the market because to their cost, even though they are anticipated to be less visually stunning than vehicles such as the Cybertruck or the specialized robotaxi. On August 8th, Tesla intends to introduce the specialized robotaxi.